Hi, welcome back students. We are discussing triangle. In a previous section we discussed about exercise point 1 and in today's section I am going to discuss about exercise point 2. Exercise point 2, the first question is in a isosceles triangle ABC with AB is equal to AC. So ABC, it is a isosceles triangle, AB is equal to AC. So these two sides are equal here, right? And bisector of angle B and angle C intersect each other at O. The bisector of angle B and C are intersect each other at O. So OB is a bisector of angle B and OC is a bisector of angle C. These two are intersect at the O. It means these two angles are equal, right? And join A to C. Join A to C. Show that OB is equal to OC. We want to show here OB is equal to OC. And another one, AO is a bisector of angle A. AO is a bisector of angle O. Angle A. So let me solve here. First write down given that triangle ABC and AB is equal to AC. So AB is equal to AC, it means the equal side opposite angles are equal. So it means the angle ABC is equal to angle ACB. These two whole angle are equal. So reason angles opposite sides of a triangle, angle opposite sides of a triangle are equal. Angle opposite two sides of a triangle are equal. So these two are equal. So I will make here multiplication on both sides by 1 by 2. So 1 by 2 ABC, angle ABC, and 1 by 2 angle ACB. So half of angle ABC, half of angle ABC, it means we can write angle OBC because OB is a bisector of angle ABC. It means these two angles are equal. So half of angle ABC, it means we can write angle OBC. So here angle OBC. So similarly here also half of angle ACB, it means we can write OCB. So here also angle OCB. So now in this triangle, which triangle OBC, in this triangle angle OBC is equal to angle OCB. So these two angles are equal. It means equal angle opposite sides are equal. So it means OB is equal to OC. So write down here side opposite to equal angles of a triangle are also equal. So is it clear? So first one put. So second one. So in a triangle AOB. So in a triangle AOB and a triangle, another triangle AOC. AOC. In these two triangles, AO is equal to AO, common side. Common side. AO is equal to AO is the common side. And AB is equal to AC given. AB is equal to AC given. And OB is equal to OC. Just we proved, right? OB is equal to OC. Proved. right? So in these two triangles we have one side angle and another side. It means these two triangles are congruent to each other by SAS, side angle side. So triangle AOB is congruent to the triangle AOC by side angle side rule, right? So these two triangles are congruent to each other means their corresponding parts are equal by CPCT. It means the angle OAB is equal to angle OBC. So these two are equal. Angle OAB is equal to angle OAC by CPCT, corresponding part of a congruent triangle. So these two angles are equal to each other. It means therefore AO is a bisect angle A. So therefore AO is bisect angle A. Hence proved. Well students, the next problem is second one. In a triangle ABC, AD is a perpendicular bisector of BC. So AD is the perpendicular bisector of BC. It means these two, BD is equal to CD. These two are the equal and here angle is a 90 degree. And show that the triangle ABC is an isosceles triangle in which AB is equal to AC. We want to show here ABC is a isosceles triangle in which AB is equal to AC. So let me solve here. So here is a two triangle are there. One is ADB and another one is ADC. So let me write here. In a triangle ADB and triangle ADC. So in these two triangles, AD is equal to AD. It is common side, right? So another one here, the angle ADP is equal to angle ADC, each 90 degree. Here these two are the 90 degree because AD is a perpendicular to BC, and BD is equal to CD. Here AB is perpendicular bisector of BC. Perpendicular bisect, it means these two are the equal, right? So in these two triangles we have two sides and one angle are equal, means these two triangles are congruent to each other. So therefore the triangle ADB is congruent to the triangle ADC by SAS, side angle side rule, right? So these two triangles are congruent to each other means their corresponding parts are equal. It means AB is equal to AC. So AB is equal to AC by CPCT. So in a triangle ABC, AB is equal to AC, it means it is an isosceles triangle in which AB is equal to AC. So therefore triangle ABC is a isosceles triangle in which AB is equal to AC. Is it clear? So well students, the next problem is third one. ABC is a isosceles triangle in which altitude BA and CF are drawn to a equal side of AC and BC. So ABCD is an isosceles triangle in which AB is equal to BC. These two sides are equal. So here we drawn two altitude. Which one? CF and BE. These two altitude. So here show that the altitude are equal. So here we want to show here BE is equal to CF, right? So first write down let me solve here. In a triangle, see here, AEB is another one triangle, AEB. So is it clear? So here another triangle, AFC is another triangle. So in these two triangles, right? So first one, the triangle AEB, and another triangle AFC. So in these two triangles, both having a common angle A. So angle A is equal to angle A. Common angle, right? So both have angle A. And so AB is equal to AC. They have only given AB is equal to AC. Given, right? And the angle AEB is equal to angle AFE. These two are the 90-degree altitude. They only said na. So angle AEB is equal to angle AFC, each 90-degree. So in these two triangles, we have two angles are equal and one side are equal. Corresponding two angles and one sides are equal. It means these two triangles are congruent to the each other by angle side angle property, right? The triangle AEB is congruent to the triangle AFC by angle side angle rule. So these two triangles are congruent to the each other, means their corresponding parts are equal. So it means BE is equal to CE. So BE is equal to CF by CT, corresponding part of a congruent. So therefore the altitudes are equal. Well students, the fourth problem. ABC is a triangle in which altitude BE and CF. ABC is a triangle, altitude BE and CF to the side AC and AB are the equal. Show that. So here they given altitude are the equal and show that the triangle ABE. So this triangle is congruent to the triangle ACF. So we want to show that these two triangles are congruent to the each other. And the second one here, AB is equal to BC. So AB is equal to AC. We want to prove here AB is equal to AC. These two sides are equal, means ABCD is isosceles. That is ABCD is isosceles. So let me solve here the first one. So in a triangle ABE and triangle ACF, ABE and ACF, in these two triangles, so here the angle AEB is equal to angle AFC is equal to angle AFC, each 90 degree, right? So here one angle is, and angle A is equal to angle A, common angle. So angle A is equal to angle A. It is common angle, right? And also here they given altitudes are equal. It means BE is equal to CF. So here BE is equal to CF given. So in these two triangle, two angle line, pair of two angle line, one sides are equal. It means the two triangle are congruent. So triangle ABE is congruent to the triangle ACF by AAS rule, angle side rule. So first one proved. So second one here. Second one we want to prove here AB is equal to AC. So already we proved these two triangles are congruent to the each other. These two triangles are congruent to the each other means their corresponding parts are equal. That is AB is equal to PC by CPCT. It has been proved that which one? The triangle ABE is congruent to the triangle ACF. So ABE and ACF, these two triangles are congruent. It means their corresponding part AB is equal to AC. So AB is equal to AC by CPCT. Hence proved.